Hi everyone, here's Leo from Gelgoog. Today I will show you 1 ton per hour pineapple juice processing line, and it's fully automatic and intelligent production line, and it's high efficiency and stable running. Let's go. The first part will be the raw pineapple processing area. The raw pineapple will be lifted into the conveyor belt part for the workers to remove the unqualified pineapple. And then the brush machine will clean the inner of pineapple, and then it will go into this bubble washing machine with the high pressure water to clean the whole pineapple again. The second part will be the juice extracting part. The washed pineapple will enter into the crushing machine and then be pumped into the juice extracting part. This part will be the core of the juice extracting line, and it will be quickly processed the whole pineapple and guarantee the raw taste. And then the extracted juice will enter into the storage tank. Then the extracted juice will enter into the beverage filter part to remove the impurities to get the clear juice. The juice will be pumped into the second storage tank for the mixing part. And the third part will be the juice mixing part. In this part, the filtered juice will enter into the tank and then mix with the sugar, water, according to your set percentage. It will be fully automatic. The mixed juice will go through the homogenization function, and through the high pressure homogenization, the juice taste will be more smooth, and then go through the degas process. Then the air in the juice will be removed, so it can guarantee the shelf life. The final juice will go through this UHT sterilization process. It's short time but high temperature, which can guarantee the juice taste and the nutrition at the maximum degree. And the first part will be the juice filling part, and this is one 3-in-1 machine. The bottle cleaning, the juice filling, and the bottle capping will be integrated in one machine. This part will be the bottle conveying system, and the bottle will be come from here and then through the wind to be sent to the bottle cleaning part. After conveying the bottle here, the bottle will be reversed, and then the high pressure water will flush inner of bottle. The cleaned bottle will go for the filling nozzle parts to finish the filling process, and the cap will automatically drop to here to finish the capping process, and the whole machine can finish at least 80 bottles each minute. Then the filled juice bottle will go through the label process, and the bottle will come from here, and here we'll put the sleeve, and then through the heat shrinking machine to put the label on the bottle. And the final bottled juice will be sorted like this 3-row and 4-line, and then it will be shrinked into one lot. Then you can send to the supermarket part. Gelgoog possesses a 12,000 square meter research and development and production center and a self-built food processing laboratory. We collaborate with multiple research institutions to continuously optimize the processing technology and parameter for pineapple juice to provide our clients with more stable and high-efficient production line solutions. This 1-ton production line can also flexibly process orange juice, apple juice, mango juice, and other fruit jams. Gelgoog, not only a machines manufacturer, but a whole solution provider from the design, manufacture, delivery, training, and whole machine's shelf life service. Gelgoog to make food production line simpler and safer.